If you want your content to connect, you've got to understand what your prospects really need and what's standing in their way. Today, we're unpacking pain points, what they are, how to identify them, and why they're the secret to creating content that truly resonates. In our first episode, I explained the HELP process, my formula for creating content that connects with your audience and makes posting painless. Today, we're focusing on the second step, exploring pain points. If you missed the first step on crafting hooks, don't worry. Check out episode 2. For now, stick with me because by the end of this episode, you'll know how to identify what your audience is struggling with, use those struggles to connect with them, and turn empathy into engagement. It's showtime. Let's get started. Creating consistent, engaging social media content shouldn't feel like rocket science. I've helped thousands of entrepreneurs go from, I don't know what to post, to I've got this, using simple, easy to implement steps that make a big difference. I'm Maggie Carey, and welcome to the Painless Posting Podcast. Let's start with the basics. What is a pain point? It's the specific problem or challenge your audience is facing that creates frustration, inefficiency, or stress in their lives. It's not always something they can put into words, but it is the gap between where they are now and where they want to be. For example, a fitness coach once shared with me, I feel like people are ignoring my posts about workout plans. Problem? Her audience wasn't connecting with advice like stay active. When she started saying things like, don't have time for a full workout, try these 3 exercises you can do in under 10 minutes. Now her engagement soared. Why? Because she acknowledged their real struggle, the lack of time. When you speak directly to your audience's experience and show you understand their challenge, you create connection. Pain points are the key to making your audience feel seen, understood, and valued. And that's where trust begins. Now that we've defined those pain points, let's dive into the different types your audience might face and why understanding these distinctions matter. The first pain point is the financial pain point. Financial pain points happen when prospects feel they're spending too much money on their current provider, solution, or product. It's not just about affordability. It's about the frustration of seeing their budget drained without feeling they're getting enough in return. The second pain point, the productivity pain point. Productivity pain points arise when prospects feel like they're wasting time, not using it efficiently. They may feel bogged down by repetitive tasks, slow systems, or processes that take longer than they should. This leaves them feeling overwhelmed and frustrated as they feel like their time is being stolen from more important priorities. Third is process pain points. Process pain points are about inefficiency and complexity. When workflows, tools, or systems don't align, they create roadblocks. They make tasks harder instead of easier. Prospects struggling with process pain points often feel like they're working against the system instead of with, leading to delays, confusion, and stress. I had a process pain point. It was creating social media. That's how I turned my IT agency into a social media agency because I was frustrated with my current process, how I was creating social media. Once I found the tools, the tactics, and the training to make it work efficiently, that process pain point disappeared. The fourth is the support pain point. Support pain points often occur when prospects don't feel they're receiving the help or guidance they need at critical stages. This could be slow response time, a lack of follow-up, or impersonal interaction leave them feeling abandoned. These pain points can make prospects feel frustrated and unimportant, leading to distrust in their provider. The fifth pain point, the health pain point. Health pain points reflect physical, emotional, or mental challenges that impact daily lives. These could include chronic pain, physical limitations, or struggles with stress and mental health. Prospects dealing with health pain points often feel these challenges are holding them back from living fully, and they are looking for ways to alleviate that pain. Understanding these 5 types of pain points is the first step to creating content that truly connects. When you identify frustrations your prospects face, you're able to build trust and show that you see their struggles. In the next step, let's explore how you can use this knowledge to create powerful, resonant content. So, how do you use these pain points in content? Now that we've explored some of those common types of pain points, it's time to talk about how to use them in your content. Recognizing your audience's struggle is only step 1. The magic happens when you take that insight and weave it into content that resonates, connects, and ultimately drives action. First and foremost, empathize and understand. Before you connect with your audience, you have to meet them where they are. Empathy means acknowledging their struggles, showing you genuinely understand what they're going through. This isn't about simply jumping straight into solutions. It's about validating their feelings, letting them know they're not alone. I can't tell you how many times I've heard people say, social media is so frustrating, I feel like I'm just shouting into the void. That's the frustration of feeling unseen. It's something we can change by connecting on a deeper level. For example, if your audience is small business owners who struggle with managing their time, you might say, feel like there aren't enough hours in the day? You're not alone. It's not your fault. This simple acknowledgement builds trust and opens a door to deeper engagement. Secondly, you can highlight a specific pain point type. Now, pain points come in many forms, as I explained earlier: financial, productivity, and more. Highlighting these pain point types help you zero in on what resonates most with your audience. For example, productivity pain points might focus on time wasted, while financial pain points might center around cutting costs. When you tailor your content to address a specific pain point type, you make it more relevant and impactful. The fitness coach might touch on productivity by asking if you're tired of spending hours at the gym with no results. This approach ensures your audience feels seen and understood on a personal level. Third, you can share stories or examples. Stories are one of the most powerful ways to illustrate pain points. When you share a real-life scenario, your audience can see themselves in the story. The stories can come from your own experience, your clients, or even relatable hypothetical situations. For instance, a co-working space might share, one of our members used to spend hours hunched over at their kitchen table struggling with back pain and distraction. Now they're thriving in a dedicated workspace designed for focus and comfort. Stories like this show empathy while making the pain point tangible. Fourth, you can ask an open-ended question. Sometimes the best way to uncover pain points is to ask your audience directly. Open-ended questions encourage them to share their experience, creating a sense of community and providing valuable insight for you. For example, a pet supply store might post, "What's the biggest challenge you face when training your dog?" Questions like this invite conversation, spark engagement, and help you better understand your audience needs. Fifth, you can offer hope and solution. Pain points don't have to leave your audience feeling stuck. While it's important to explore their struggles, it's just as critical to maintain a positive tone and show them that a better way is possible. For example, if your audience is struggling with overwhelm, you might say, feeling buried under your to-do list? You're not alone. There are simple ways to take control, and I'm here to guide you. Offering a sense of hope helps keep your audience engaged and ready to take the next step. Exploring your audience's pain points is the second step in the help process, and it is essential for creating content that truly resonates. By identifying financial, productivity, process, support, and health pain points, you'll be able to craft posts that speak directly to what matters most to your audience. If you missed the first episode when we introduced the help process, be sure to check it out so you get the full framework. In closing, when you understand your audience's pain points, you stop guessing and start connecting. That's the ultimate shortcut to social media success. Remember, keep it simple. Start with your next post by naming one specific frustration your audiences face. Today we've covered how to explore your audience's pain point, but that's just one piece of the puzzle. To master social media content, you need to put all the pieces together. That's why we've created the Secrets to Stellar Social Media Guidebook. Inside, you'll find step-by-step guidance on using the entire help process, including examples, templates, bonus tips to make your content stand out. Whether you're struggling to come up with ideas or you just want to make your posts more engaging, this complimentary guidebook will save time and give you the confidence to create consistently. Head over to thehelpprocess.com and grab your free copy of the Secrets to Stellar Social Media Guidebook. You'll have everything you need to start creating attention-grabbing posts that convert. Again, that's thehelpprocess.com. Don't wait. Download it now.